Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can set different notification sounds for different apps on your iPhone. It's super simple to do, so let's go ahead and get right into this. First, you want to go ahead and open up your settings app. And then from there, once you're inside your settings here, you want to scroll down until you see the tab that says notifications. From there, you can go ahead and just tap on notifications. Now in here, you're gonna have all of the usual customizability that you can do with your notifications, but the important thing here is to scroll down to where you see notification style, and then you start seeing a long list of these apps right here. So you're gonna want to go ahead and select one of those apps. So let's say that I want to change the sound for my messages. Well, I can tap into messages. And if I scroll down just a little bit here, you'll see it says sounds. And right now it's set to note. If I want to change that sound, I can tap into that tab. And then from here, I can set a different sound for my Messenger app. Okay, I'll go ahead and set it back to default here because that's the one that I like. And now it is fully set to that sound. And something to kind of keep in mind here is that some of these apps may not allow you to change the sound of the notification for that app. So for example, I have the Maps app right here, and even though it's a native app, it's not going to allow me to change the sound. All it's going to do is allow me to toggle off and on the sound, but it won't let me actually change the sound. So that's just something kind of important here to keep in mind. There are a few apps that you can go into the app itself, and then you'll be able to change the sound within the app, but not through your settings. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.